Hi, this is Greg from ASUS, and I've come all the way out to ASUS headquarters in Taipei to give you guys a first look at the brand new Zenbook S UX391. It's housed in an all-metal unibody design and will be available in two colors, Deep Dive Blue and a special edition Burgundy Red, both with rose gold trim. This ultra-portable notebook was designed for users who need all-day battery life that does not compromise on horsepower. It measures only 0.5 inches thin and weighs in at just 2.2 pounds. Now, powering the Zenbook S is up to an 8th generation quad-core Intel Core i7 CPU at up to 4 GHz, 16 GB of 2133 MHz LPDDR3 memory, a 1 TB NVMe PCIe SSD, and a 50 watt-hour battery for up to 13.5 hours of battery life depending on your configuration. The 13.3-inch touch display is available in either 1080p or UHD resolutions and features an ultra-slim 5.9mm bezel, giving the Zenbook S an 85% screen-to-body ratio. The ErgoLift design serves two functions. It raises the keyboard into a comfortable typing position and also allows for increased airflow underneath the system for better cooling efficiency. For connectivity, we have a headset jack and dual Thunderbolt 3 over USB Type-C ports with monitor support, so you'll be able to connect to the latest Thunderbolt accessories. On the other side, we have a Type-C USB 3.1 connection. All three Type-C ports support fast charging. The full-size keyboard is backlit and features 1.5mm of key travel for comfortable and accurate typing. The touchpad also features a fingerprint reader for fast and secure one-touch login using Windows Hello. This will also be one of our first laptops available with Alexa for PC. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at the Zenbook S UX391. If you have any questions about this notebook or any of our other laptops, please reach out to us on our Facebook page at facebook.com/asus.n.america. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.